Hi, Emma. How's it going?
Hello, Sophia. I'm good. Just got back from some shopping.
Nice. Do you like shopping in stores or do you prefer shopping online?
Honestly, I love shopping online. It's so convenient. No lines, no crowds. What about you?
I like online shopping too, especially for electronics and books. But when it comes to clothes, I prefer trying them on in person.
That makes sense. I've had some bad luck with sizes when I buy clothes online.
Same. Do you ever shop for secondhand clothes or do you prefer buying new?
I actually love thrift shopping. You can find unique pieces, and it's more sustainable. What about you?
I'm open to buying secondhand, but I usually go for new clothes, especially when I'm shopping for work outfits.
Yeah, for something like work clothes, it's easier to stick with new items. What time of day do you usually go shopping?
I like going early in the morning, right when the stores open. It's so peaceful. What about you?
I prefer going in the late afternoon. There are more sales at that time, but sometimes it's crowded.
Do you ever shop during peak hours, like weekends?
Only if I really have to. The crowds stress me out. How about you?
Same here. I avoid weekends unless it's the only time I can go. I don't like standing in long lines.
Do you buy clothes for other people or just for yourself?
Mostly for myself, but I like buying gifts for friends and family. What about you?
I'm the same way. I love surprising people with a nice shirt or accessory they wouldn't buy for themselves.
That's so thoughtful. Do you prefer shopping in big stores or smaller boutiques?
I love smaller boutiques. They usually have unique items, but I'll go to big stores when I need basics.
I feel the same way. Boutiques feel more personal, but big stores have everything in one place, which can be convenient.
Definitely. Do you find shopping stressful or relaxing?
It depends. If I'm just browsing with no pressure, it's relaxing. But if I'm shopping for something specific, it can be stressful.
Me too. I enjoy it more when I don't have a deadline or a long list.
Same here. Well, speaking of shopping, I think I'm going to check out the new store downtown this weekend. Want to come with me?
I'd love to. Let's go early to avoid the crowds.
Great idea. It'll be fun.
Definitely. See you then.
See you, Emma.